A plea has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking directions to set up a special investigation team to inquire about the violent protests against the Agnipath recruitment scheme, which was launched by the NDA government recently. The plea seeks directions to inquire about the damage caused to the public property, including that of railways. The plea also sought directions to set up an expert committee under the chairmanship of a retired Supreme Court judge to examine the scheme, its impact on national security and the army. The lawyer of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi on Friday accused the Punjab police of meting out inhuman treatment and giving third-degree torture to the accused. Bishnoi is currently being questioned by the Punjab police regarding his alleged involvement and role in the murder of the Punjabi singer and rapper Sidhu Moosewala. The recent reports suggest that Lawrence Bishnoi has agreed that he planned the killing of Sidhu Moosewala but has refused that he knows the shooters. Lawrence Bishnoi's lawyer Vishal Chopra via video message has alleged that the Punjab police were violating the rules that were required to be followed while interrogating an accused. Chopra also alleged that Bishnoi's life was in danger. Multiple blasts were reported at the premises of Gurudwara Karte Parwan in Kabul in Afghanistan. According to reports, ISIS Khorasan is suspected to be behind the terror attack on the Gurudwara. At least 2 people have reportedly died and many still remain trapped inside the Gurudwara premises. The deceased have been identified as 60-year-old Savinder Singh, a native of Ghazni whose family resides in Delhi, and Ahmed, who was a security guard at the Gurudwara. There were at least 20 to 25 persons from the Sikh community inside the Gurudwara when the attack took place. India recorded yet another increase in the number of fresh COVID-19 cases. 13,216 fresh COVID cases were added to the total tally of COVID-19 infections in the country. With this, the total number of COVID-19 cases jumped to 4,32,83,793, while the active cases increased to 68,108. This is the first time in 113 days that India has recorded over 13,000 cases. The number of COVID-related fatalities also saw a sudden rise. 23 people succumbed to the virus, thereby increasing the death toll to 5,24,840. The Health Ministry stressed that more than 70% of the deaths occurred due to comorbidities.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.